Hello, Lego, and today we're reviewing a McDonald's Happy Meal toy for the Lion King. This is one for Simba, which was made for the live-action release of Simba as a cub, made for the live-action release of the Lion King. But technically it's not live-action, it's like photorealistic animation. But yeah, my brother got this in his Happy Meal at McDonald's. So yes, let's get into the review. So yeah, so the figure has very interesting face print, kind of creepy, I would say. But then yeah, it's nice, sort of nice printing, and you can see there's some green, like grass sort of thing. He's in like a swiping motion with his claws, and there's a bolt in the back of him because that's happening towards me in China, and his head can move, which is a cool feature of this figure. But yeah, that's really it. I mean, it can do this, and it can make a noise when you shake it. Kind of weird, but yeah. What's my thoughts? Final verdict. This is a... making the tail move. Oh, the tail can move too. Okay. So this is just a very cheap toy, but it's still cool, and I think you can do things with it. Like, maybe you can, I think you might be able to connect it with the other toys, and yeah, and it rattles, which is cool, but yeah, this is a fine thing to make. Yeah. And it's pretty, so it's pretty cool. I mean, I would recommend it, but I mean, if you're getting a Happy Meal, you'll most likely end up getting it. But yeah, I think it's a fine, decent toy. It's not good, but it's a fine thing. But yeah, that's the end of the video. I really want this to be the thumbnail, so I'm gonna stay on this. But yeah, that's the end of the video. I'll see you all later. Bye.